And this week, guys, we're going to be talking about the fully rugged laptops. Fully rugged Panasonic Toughbook FZ-40, and of course, the all-time favorite, Durabook Z14i. Both of them built to the MIL standard 810H, I believe it is. Fully rugged, where you can drop them from 6 foot and do all that. You can see they all have little rubber pads on the sides to cushion the blow. So they both are built to the same standards. Now the IP rating on the Durabook is an IP65, and the IP on the Toughbook is an IP66. What's the difference? You can spray a little bit more water on this unit that you wouldn't want to spray over here. That's basically what that second number means. The other thing is the keyboard. You can tell there's a difference in the keyboards. Now, which one do I like best? Well, it's hard to say. I mean, this is a nice low profile keyboard. I found it easy to type on, very responsive. It's backlit. It only has one backlit color, and it's red. With the Panasonic, still a nice keyboard, nice and bouncy. I enjoyed it, typing on it. It is backlit and has 4 backlit colors you can do: white, red, and 2 user-defined colors. And another thing I liked about this keyboard, it includes 4 programmable buttons that you can program to do whatever you want to open up on your laptop. So this keyboard has a little more functionality than this keyboard. The touchpads, I got the touchpad on the FZ-40, if you look here, is a little bit bigger than the Durabook's touchpad. They're both resistive touchpads, so bottom line is they're not the smoothest thing to use. I don't know how else to say it. It gets the job done, but in rugged environments, you can't have anything but a nice rugged touchpad when you're out there. They both have webcams, and they both have privacy slides on their webcams. This is a 3 megapixel webcam, whereas the Panasonic comes out of the box with the 5 megapixel. It also has the privacy slide. This one has just a standard microphone. This comes with the quad microphone, so you get a little better microphone sound whenever you're talking on the Zoom meetings that you might be on, or webinars, or what have you, whatever you're using it for. That's also the difference between these two units. The Durabook actually already has most of the ports you need. It has the serial port. It has here, I'll show you. It already has it has 2 serial ports, VGA, HDMI, 2 RJ45 jacks, whereas everything on the Panasonic is an upgrade. So you get the basics, which is basically just HDMI and USB ports. Anything else, you would use the X-Pack over here to upgrade your laptop. That's basically the comparison on these two units. The Panasonic is slightly lighter than the Durabook, but not by much, maybe half a pound. I do like the Panasonic's handle better because it's nice and metal and solid. It feels like metal. This is rubber and more flexible, but they both do the job. This one may conform to your hand a lot easier. It might be easier to carry, but I feel like this handle here is going to last a lot longer. Overall, that's what I've got for you on this comparison. Let me know what you think in the comments. I really want to know, and I'll see you guys next week.